everyone, it's Jose32 back again. This is 366 Days of Cards, day 224 or something like that. Yay, I actually set a day for a change. And part of the reason why I don't say days is because sometimes I forget the day, and other times I'm using videos that I've recorded days or even weeks ago, so it wouldn't make sense to have those days on them. Anyway, I've been getting a lot of responses to my most recent videos, and I wanted to address that. First of all, some of you seem to think that I might be, some people seem to get the impression, I get the impression that some people seem to think that I might be thinking about not doing deck reviews anymore. Don't worry, I plan on doing deck reviews just as long as I can. I'm not going anywhere, I hope. And so don't worry about that. That was just, that whole video of to review or not to review was just kind of a, it was just a question, just a hypothetical question basically, because I see a lot of talk about it on the forums. It did not mean that I was thinking of leaving or anything like that. And then the other one was, I posted a video where I did an unboxing, so I know packages today. It was actually these decks, the Verve decks, and I said that I had like 700 decks of cards and I need to get rid of some, and I had a title of, does anyone want any decks? Well, everyone's asking me for cards now. Guys, I will be doing a giveaway in the next couple of weeks sometime. That is when you will be able to get some cards. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I might have like a point system for it. So posting a comment on the giveaway video will probably be 1 point. Being active on my channel will probably give you more points. If you give me a shout out, more points. If you have participated in a contest or a giveaway previously, more points. That's just an idea I'm looking at, because I want to do the giveaway differently if I can. So we'll see. Let me know what you think of that. Anyway, I do have a trick for you today. Hopefully it works. This is another trick from Marlo, or Maloney, or one of the two. And it's another ace assembly trick. So obviously I'm going to need the 4 aces. Hopefully you can see everything okay. There's ace of clubs, ace of diamonds, ace of hearts, and there's the ace of spades. And actually, let me do that differently on this. There's the ace of clubs. My bad. Ace of diamonds. The ace of hearts. And the ace of spades. I'll put the rest of the deck aside for a moment. And I'll show you once again, I do have all 4 aces in my hand. Again, we do have all 4 aces. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to set these 4 aces down and put some cards on top of them, hopefully. Alright, so I'll just square these up. And we'll set down 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some random cards. As you can see, there's no aces in there. And put them on top of each ace. Just like that. And actually, why don't I have the spectator, before I continue, they can just cut the cards a couple of times, wherever they like, just like that. And then I'll take 3 more cards and put them on top of these aces. Alright, hopefully you saw that cut. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give the cards a little shake and a snap, and instantly you'll see that the ace in this pile has disappeared. We'll try that again. And the ace is vanished. Now look at that, 6, 7, 8 of hearts. Now that's magic. Not that the whole trick isn't. We'll try that again. A little shake. Look at that, more hearts. All the aces seem to have disappeared, but let's give this one a little shake, a little snap, and instantly you will see we got the ace of clubs, ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, and of course, the ace of spades. This was the super clean ace assembly, not so why it's called super clean, but that's what it is, from the Bill Maloney DVD. I know there are some parts that might be a little bit suspicious, and they probably should be. If you noticed anything funny, if you think you noticed anything funny, you probably did. Apologize if the performance wasn't the best, but I haven't had much time to practice it. And of course, let me know what you think, and I will do a review of these as well, a proper review of this deck, I guess. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time.